How? Jesus Christ. Are we going down a long way? Yeah, I guess we are. God damn it. If you ever went AFK in this game, I'd cage you
Oh,
alive.
God. I almost fell off there.
Both the pegs, another box for the planks, another box for the actual sap. Because I blew through about like a box and a half worth of just sap alone to make the coal to melt the ingots. I'm gonna be chopping trees for the next 3 years, so I'll be back.
I do know that there's resin in 2 places there. I said, hey, look in that chest.
What?
Remember that? This one over here, bro. This one over here.
Somewhere.
This one right
The
here.
one on the end? Ah, look at you go. Yeah, okay.
The one you
So,
just took.
I
The one you
mean-
took all of. You took all of that clay out of there.
Did I?
Yeah, you did.
Man, I can't remember, for like phase. Just the fact that it slides in and the box inventory
Making
just
another
appears
box for right there, right now.
distracts my eyes all the time. I don't know. Maybe it's just a me me thing. I'll get used to it one day, maybe.
All right, so I cleaned out 2 of these boxes, I think.
Mm-hmm.
There should two of these boxes over here should be cleaned out. I'm gonna take all this stuff over to the other side there.
Yep.
I'm gonna break on through to the other side. If you look at
Jesus Christ, where did you get all this clay?
told you, dude.
South of the river. 5 seconds ago. Oh, look, somebody's jumping up and down. Some goodies in here. Oh, look at that. There's some more random clay there. Deliciosa. Ah, you're making pickaxes now. Perfect. Okay, awesome.
There's a whole chest of 10 ore over there. Just sitting in line.
Yeah.
Come on, Jeffrey, you can do. No. Yeah. Yep.
It's the box on the very end near the where the smoky things are. The hell are these things called? Kilns. That's the one. I knew that.
Wait a minute. Okay.
Okay.
What?
Don't look at me from behind.
Backwards. Put on the cape and you won't have to worry about it.
Oh, there's a cape as well? I don't think I got the cape.
Oh,
I
she
did
didn't
get the
give you-
cape. Oh, yeah, problem solved. It's fine. We're covered.
Just don't look at the shoulders.
Just. Oh, no.
That's the same one. Whoop. Holy shit. That's a whole.
Really getting into that role play, huh?
All right, well, I'm gonna
Look,
switch back over and
I'm
see if
just
I
a
can find
lonely.
somebody that.
I'm just a lonely, silver-haired man looking for a sugar mama while I wear a diaper in the middle of nowhere.
All right, well, I'm gonna hit.
There. You just want to drown me like a rat.
Well, I've got plenty of stamina to make it across.
Oh,
Look at that.
you're just a beast.
Excuse me, but
How
plenty
is
of
it that
stamina.
I have 94 stamina and you have 95 stamina?
What are you eating?
I'm eating grape. Yeah, but I got 129 health. How much health do you have?
160.
Ah, piss off.
Just to show you that vegans, we don't eat meat. I ain't got no meat. Vegans are stronger and have more. Maybe not. Hello.
Hello? Hello.
Yeah, don't worry, Don.
Who are you
Don't worry. Don't worry about it. You can take it. I'm pretty sure I checked everything. Yeah.
Okay. What's that in there? Oh, that's berries that look like charcoal. Excellent. All right, let me just put
Blackberries.
the stone away.
Not blackberries.
Blackberry, bam, blam.
Whoa, blackberry, ram or lamb. No, whoa, blackberry.
I'm gonna lurk in your Twitch channel, and
Hi,
then I'm
buddy.
gonna hop
No
into
worries, mate.
Don's Discord again, see if I can find somebody who has an extra plot.
No
buddy.
worries, mate. Good luck. Thanks for the help.
Buddy. Thank you.
Don, if you're in Whoops chat and listening, thanks for the stuff, by the way. To open up a chest. The fact that my actual inventory just slides in from the right distracts my eye every time. So I'm always looking at my own inventory every time I'm opening a box, and I'm realizing, hang on, I've just been checking out my own inventory on repeat for the last like 6 boxes that I've checked. I'm like, the box inventory is actually on the left. And
Oh my God.
oh, there's pummels for a sword.
Okay,
Oh,
I'm getting
delicious.
There you go.
There
Thank you. Thank you, Don.
do I have everything? Leg warmer's got it. Got it. Thank you, sir.
Are you done streaming?
Oh,
Yeah. That's
nice.
personal.
Oh, why is my
personal.
ass awkward? Oh, okay.
There's definitely not enough room for us to do this.
Don't have enough what? I'll be honest, like, I've tried the combat with 240 or 50 latency. It does not feel good. So I don't know if I'm going to be much of a tank or anything, to be fair. Alright, let me... Oh, my inventory's full. Oh no. Not this problem.
Here, I'll pick him up. I'll pick him up and I'll throw him over at your thing.
Hello, welcome in.
I got it.
I
Oh,
don't know where I'm at.
throw the leg warmers back. And then as
Yep.
bits and pieces happen, because only certain people can level up certain things, so we're not wasting resources.
Yeah, I'm happy to contribute the resources because I mined up quite a bit of like iron and tin and all that jazz, and I just out of I'm going to do this on my own. Whoops out there running. Finish connecting this staircase up here.
You can't have both of those.
You're making a box for these iron bits and pieces, are you? Whoop.
Yes.
Awesome. Copper, nice.
Anything
Alright.
that has to do with ores or anything. Oh, shit. Sorry, buddy.
I'll make iron ingots out. I'll punch iron ingots into the other kiln as well. So we got both going. Because it's like 1 hour and 20 minutes or something. Oh no, there was just 15 minutes.
Take
Okay,
them on
that's not as
rockets.
bad.
Okay, I mean, not really. It's my...
Chickaboom will turn around and will look at what's going on. Because that's what that means then. You've stripped down naked and you're waiting, aren't you? You literally, that's what's happening. I'm going to turn around. yeah, I've guessed it, haven't I? Oh, what a surprise. Where are you?
Holy cow.
Yep.
Right here? It does look like I shit my pants.
Actually, I do have a headband for you as well. So you can put the tunic and the headband. Or just the headband and the diapers, you know, whatever works.
Now look at that first chest there, buddy.
Oh, yeah? We got some cheeky little... We got something. Oh! Merry Christmas! That's no pig toy noise.
Oh, man.
Damn.
So I guess I could probably then just... okay, now we need a place for rock and wood.
You did something dodgy just now, didn't you? I can just tell.
No, man, I'm just waiting for you.
Oh, okay. No, I don't even want to... Iron ingots. Not a whole lot, sadly.
Look at this. I'm putting in these boxes also.
Oh, is it the impure iron? Yeah, we can shove those into our smelters up here, which are idle. This one on the left, whoop, if you want to just shove the impure.
Pickaxe.
Level 24 mining with the stone pickaxe. You can imagine.
Yeah,
I was literally mining all day.
I literally just got upgraded with an iron pickaxe. Not gonna lie.
Nice.
I
So
know
is the next one from the stone iron, or is there's no bronze or anything like that?
There's no.
You can let me know. You probably won't be able to pick it all up, but let me know if any of that looks useful to you. Yeah, inventory's full. Gotcha. Yeah, there's the ingots there, wrought iron ingots, and actual. Okay. I see. This is that. This is that moment. Whoop. Where. Do you know that meme that has the 3 different X-rays of the human brain? One where it's like just.
No, they're talking about over here, Judge. Is where we're supposed to put it, and all this stuff is full. And all of this stuff is completely full.
Add an extra plot just so we can see what kind of space we have over here. So you can actually put in a
Yeah.
plot here.
Yeah, that's right, and then actually have an overstretch across the top there.
And I think it was God, I'm drawing a blank on his name. See, Cersei, from Dawn's group.
It goes over here, so that anybody that needs it can come over here, and anything that has to do with iron, tin, anything, all goes over here.
Once it's been sort of melted. Yeah,
no,
cool.
no. Look, all of look. See, it's
Iron ore into the furnace. But also put the saplings and stuff. You need all of that? Yeah, sick. Okay, cool. I will bring some down. Naked through the fields all day long, so...
Doing whoopee things?
Yeah, doing whoopee things, you know. I'm just giving you shit. please don't excommunicate me. Don't take me off the Christmas card list.
Kind of wearing this diaper like a badge of honor right now. This is just for clay here, people.
Iron ingots, 80 charcoal. All right, that's right.
Yeah, I got 70 charcoal right here. I got 70 right here.
Thank you, sir. Christmas. I didn't mean to do that. God damn it. Well. All right. Slow. Where am I going wrong? I'd like to get like a bronze. You could see my peasant attempts at trying to. Well, obviously, all of my resources went into this damn road all the way from the actual road below the cliff.
Well, it would all have to be made anyways. Like you can't build on any if it's not a foundation. You can't build on it.
Appreciate that. It's great to no longer feel like a complete scrub. We might need to have a word with your tailoring technique, though, because my ass cheeks are poking through my trousers. I'm not sure that's intended by design, you know what I mean? Chicka boom.
It's my cholesterol medicine.
Oh, it's terrible. I've just seen The Mask reincarnated as Whoop as an old man doing it with his medicine things. You guys are totally welcome to it. I would just love to get like I don't know, an iron pickaxe or something, because I've hit like level 24 mining with a stone pickaxe, and my life is, I'm questioning it, you know? So anything that could be done to sponsor a pickaxe, I'm happy to keep mining for the team, because
Oh.
I think he was actually considering putting down a plot over here if he could.
Look at this.
I think he was looking at this grassy hill.
Finding clay everywhere.
Here, yeah.
Finding clay everywhere.
Excellent.
Yeah,
this would be nice.
I'd like to see all of this filled in too, but we need more people on the game.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
I've got iron ingots being made right here.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah, much appreciated. I mean, I appreciate the clay, by the way, but it's just I feel bad using it if we don't have enough to complete the bridge.
I need 10 wood. I need to go find 10 wood.
I might. Yeah, I just feel bad using it. That's
tin and copper and everything. The ores are all over here.
Ah, nice. Yep. Cool.
Yeah, I'm condensing all of that shit down over into one area.
Yeah.
This is rocks. Those don't go there.
Chicken? Actually, I don't even know now, because the 3 foods that are now on cooldown do not match the 3 foods in the middle of my bar.
I have, I, can't tell you. I have blackberry, penny buns, and an apple.
I can't tell you.
I have blackberry, penny buns, and an apple. 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 I have
It's like absolutely nothing similar to me. I have an elderberry, a black trumpet, and a. I have to say it. Oh no.
Look at the shoulders. I don't know if you're getting the weird leggings, like glitchy stuff.
Do we have
They're
crazy
kinda
hands
cool.
this time?
Oh,
Or
it's
do we have
Crazy
bad.
jazz? Do we have jazz hands this time?
No, it's jazz knees.
That's fun. I can do another chest.
Yeah, but you'll have yours full. I still have shit that needs to go chasing.
Yeah, yeah.
Um.
That's useful. Go on and grab it. And if you need me to grab some and bring some across with you, then let me know. Or let Whoop know. He's good. He makes an excellent pack mule. Look at him. Fine specimen of a man. Made in my true image. I'm talking shit now. Please stop me. If there was a shortage on flax, I'm sure we can come to an arrangement. Oh, well, here you go. Actually, no, I don't have your stuff. But look, please, for the love of God, just put this tunic on. Christ. I'm sure that there's actually barely lit up. Then the next one where it's like, got some activity showing, and then the last one where it's like.
And also, these
a
last
laser
two
show.
right here, both of these, there's no wood in either one of these.
There's no wood in either one of those.
No, the stamina.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh, there goes Whoop's channel. It's been.
Not even close.
I mean, times have changed. I don't know what to tell you. There was wood
sap,
there.
There's sap in both of those there.
Oh.
Oh, here's a bunch of rock. And sand.
And then, is there a primitive chainmail hauberk? That's all. I've got like some stone somewhere in one of these boxes in the middle here. I'm sure. There's flax as well. I don't know. I know that you're the tailor. I think you're the tailor. If you see flax or any herbs or whatever, just scoop it on out. Do not care. Don't want it. If you see tin or iron or any of the metals.
We should have brought the fucking chest with us.
Cool. Well, I think that's all I need to do over here. You know what? Fuck that. I'm actually gonna. Oh, I need to get back to the other one and see if I can find someone who has an extra goddamn plot, so I can get it put down. So we can have. There's a cool plot of land that's built over here now that someone just needs.
With a longer beard. Impure iron. Am I standing where you are trying to put a box? By the way, I'm sorry.
No.
Ah, okay.
I need.
Figured if I'm gonna, maybe get a sponsored pickaxe or a spear or anything, I'll take anything just for survival purposes. You know what I'm really bad at with this game? And it's probably just a me thing, but every time I go...
Questionnaire, I can tell you, of a game that I tested. And one of the things that I said the game needed
was a glider.
potentially could have been something similar to what we were discussing. I don't know.
Oh, I see what you did.
Rebuild. So it's going to be at a different angle, which also allowed us to kind of adjust the
staircase.
Yeah. Oh, look, Taco just got set up by Dawn. I think she's coming over and dropping stuff off for you as well. Yeah. Judge, she just dropped a bunch of stuff for you.
These for me?
Yeah.
I can't play past tonight. I might be able to play Sunday night, but I can't play Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, so I'm just collecting resources, running around, finding clay for Judge so he can do his thing.
Fun.
I mean, just to be clear, not in real life. I'm not a vegan in real life, because
No.
I'm vegan in a sense that my cows are grass fed, but so
nice. That counts, right? That counts. Ah, dear.
Because I'm
it's a trauma I didn't need. It's not even my middle of the day.
Except I do it completely naked. I'm just unloading shit wherever I can. Oh shit, I don't even know what this stuff is. I'm putting all the iron.
Oh, ton of iron spears. That's good. I might come visit then. Oh, I've got this wrought iron. Is there a way to trade with you directly? I got these random bits of iron and stuff where I was just trying to unlock stuff. Oh, look, I'll just drop it on the ground. Hold up.
Need another box over here, though.
Yeah?
No, I don't. Because
No,
what I'm going
lie.
to do is... I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to take a... I'm going to take a whole thing of...
I take a who? All right. Oh, well, I'm actually not going to really expand the base much beyond this, to be honest, because I just want to start throwing the rest of the stone and clay towards the community. Also, Dawn, these chests have got some tin and copper, like tons of tin, some copper, and also some iron ore.
You're the jam. I like to eat on my toast and ham.
Oh!
Alright, I'm off.
All right. Oh, come on. I wanted to do it holding hands. It's not fair. I feel like with this cloak, I should be able to like just grab the sides of the cloak and glide.
What is
those,
one?
like,
One of the. Oh no, I can't.
Chicken.
I can't tell you guys that. Never mind. I had a
wow.
questionnaire. I had a question. My inventory. I'm taking copper, imperial iron, regular
you want me to help?
tin. I mean,
I can both load up the boxes.
Everything that needs to be taken over there is in these boxes right here.
You've double checked there's nothing left over in these as well?
Kaiser. That's enough. Right. Sure it does. It's got to. Where are you at?
I've gone to the base. You know all that clay that you gave me, Whoop? Did you still have some left over? Because completing the staircase to connect all the properties up the back
chest, in that chest, I'm not using any of it. I put it
Which
in
one?
that chest.
This one over here?
No, but the same chest that it was in. Hardcore.
Bronze. It goes straight to iron. So
what's
use that
required
stone one
to
for
actually
frickin'
craft it?
other.
I suppose you need to get an actual forge going and all that jazz, because I unlocked the head of the axe. But,
it is a lot of mining that you have to do to get all that stuff together, which is why we've just kind of been having the community do it. Like, you can place chests and furniture and tables and whatnot, but you can't build
if it's uneven, it won't. Yeah, that's right.
You have to have foundation floors built out.
What does one need to do to be able to get themselves like just an upgraded pickaxe? Because my mining is.
He just made, or I think he's about to make some iron piece of plot to put it in it.
What do you think of this staircase, by the way? This doable? This took me all freaking day yesterday.
Yeah, I saw that. Thank you so goddamn much. And I noticed that it's like stuck because of the weird fucking line that's going on.
Yeah,
which sucks.
Yeah.
I almost wish I knew of someone who had
70 here. If I need to make charcoal, then craft that. I need 10 more wood. I think I dropped more wood over here, didn't I? Maybe not. Maybe not. Okay. Ah, wood. Wood. Here's wood. Here's some wood. Right here, and this last one over here.
We need a separate box for